We'll guide you through how to extend or duplicate displays. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you're using multiple monitors on your computer and you want to be able to go and customize how they go and work. You can go and have them duplicated. This is quite common if you're using a laptop and a monitor, because perhaps you just want to go and make the laptop screen bigger on the monitor. But if you're using a PC or a laptop as well, you may want to go and have them extended like so. So we're going to guide you through the different options you've got here and also how you can go and customize it. And there's quite a few different settings you can adjust to go and make your experience better. Make sure to do this full guide step by step so you know exactly what you need to do in order to achieve this and the different settings you can go and change. So without any further ado, let's go and get into this. So what you want to do is come onto your computer or laptop and you need to go and open up your settings. So you can come down to the bottom and go and find the Windows Start button like so and click on it. And then you want to go and find settings. Also, you can go and search using the search bar for settings as well if you struggle to go and find it. So go and open up settings like so. And then in here, we need to go and get to our display settings. So you can go to the left and you can go and press system. Then at the top here, you should go and find display. We can go and get started. So at the top here, you're going to go and see your displays here, as you can see. See them here, make sure you go and press identify. Now, what you can then do is you can go and see that this is number 2. And then this is number 1. So what you can do is then go and adjust them here to your liking. So for example, if you are monitored with different sizes or heights, you can click, hold, and then drag them like so to go and offset them. So when you go and drag a window across, it goes and looks smooth. What you can also do is even just go and flick these round if they were completely the wrong way as well. So you click, hold, and drag to go and adjust that there. Then when you make any change, make sure you go and press apply in the bottom left. Now, when it comes to actually extending or duplicating, you're going to see the option in the bottom right here. You've got extend these displays. If I click here, we've got duplicate, we can only go and show on 1, which would be this one here, or only show on 2, which is this one here. In this case, we're going to be focusing on these top 2 settings. So let's go and say I select duplicate these displays. I'll go and come out of here. You go and see these both then go and show the same thing. You may want that. I don't. So what I'm going to do is go and press revert. And then it's going to go and change back to what it was. And I can see that it's now got extend these displays selected. You can also go and expand multiple displays and you can go and then choose if you want to go and have the display as the main one. I like having my left one here as the main one, which is why when we select that, it says make this my main display. If I want it to be 1, I'd select that and then I can go and press make this my main display. If you're struggling to go and get either of these showing up that you've got it connected, you can scroll down here and go and where it says detect other display, you can detect it, press that there, it will go and look for it. And also if you're trying to go and connect to a wireless display, you can press connect to the right here. We've got some other options. For example, remember Windows locations based on a monitor connection, minimize windows when a monitor is disconnected, ease cursor movement between displays. So go and adjust those to your liking and you can go and scroll down and there are some other settings as well. So you want to go and select each monitor now and then you can go down to scale and layout and you can go and choose a scale. I like 125% just to make them a little bigger. I find 100 a bit small, so I have it slightly scaled and zoomed. You can also go and choose the display resolution. I like to go and have this as high as possible. Some people may like using 1080p, but of course you then aren't maximizing your monitor. So this highest resolution will go and depend upon the monitor you have. I've got a 1440p monitor, which is why it's there. But if you had a 2K, if you had a 4K one, you'd have a high resolution, for example. And then you can also go and choose the display orientation, because I know that some people may be using a vertical monitor. So you could then go and use portrait or portrait flip, depending upon how it is. You've got the advanced display, which you can click on as well. And there's some different settings. The main one being the refresh rate you may want to go and change. You can select the highest there to make it as smooth as possible. And you can go and choose each monitor at the top there. That's it. Hopefully now you've extended or duplicated your displays and you've gone and set it up. If you found this useful, then leave a like.